Hi there, I'm bizz. This is my new YouTube account, and I'm gonna be doing business. The recent buzz is about Netflix, a largely successful internet streaming and DVD sending company that had its service for only $10 a month and accumulated millions and millions upon millions of subscribers. The dreadful recent news that the company split into two different companies, one with its DVD services, the other with its instant streaming services, has devastated consumers and investors, therefore causing the company to plummet in terms of stock price. Do I think the split was a good idea? Hell no. Why would you separate those two services into two different companies? Everyone who is a Netflix subscriber received the email from the CEO saying that, give me a second to remember the email. He was pretty much saying that he was worried about losing the technology war against other companies. Now that's understandable, but what had you going as Netflix was both your DVD service and your instant streaming. I mean, the instant queue, it was good the first 30 days I had it. After that, it kind of became garbage because they didn't update the movies enough. I mean, $10 a month isn't a lot of money, and that's why everyone had Netflix. Has had whatever's going on with the blockbuster Netflix thing, but I mean, the reason I bought Netflix was because it was interesting. There was new stuff going on, and the movies were just current. They were popping, and they were just flowing. And the second they stopped the flowing, that was one of my concerns. And then the second they raised the price, I got even more concerned. And now they're splitting the two companies, well, the one company into two different companies, and that's just, it's baffling. The stock price of Netflix went from over $300 to about $128. It's at about $128 right now, and it's probably still going to go down a little more. The reason being, when you take one company and divide the two main things that make that company into two different companies, you can obviously expect the value of the stock to pretty much split in half, if not go lower, because the DVD services were what made Netflix Netflix. That was like taking the heart out of a human. How was it going to operate? It's just crazy to see something like that happen. That company could have owned the movie industry, the TV industry. I mean, Netflix had so much potential. They were hopping into a really heavy level industry with a ton of potential. They were $9 billion in worth. Now what are they at, 7, if not lower? I mean, it's sad just to watch that happen, and it's sad to make the CEO make such a decision. I honestly don't know what's in his mind right now. I wouldn't even be surprised if the CEO of Netflix is making money from insider trading. And if he's doing that, he needs to be arrested. Because, I mean, people are losing their hard-earned money in stocks like this, and they're just plummeting. It's like a Ponzi scheme that just went wrong. It's really messed up for all those people who've lost 40% because they thought Netflix would go back up in price, which it probably will, but you could be making more money day trading than just waiting for that stupid stock to go up. I mean, I bought it when it dropped, but after it kept on dropping, I just sold it because I'm not going to lose money over a company that doesn't give a crap about its consumers and sends one email to justify all of the crap they've done over the past few months. So, the verdict for Netflix, I think they have potential still. I mean, I don't know what they're up to, honestly, because, I mean, while they're doing something like that, Blockbuster has this new service, which is $10 a month, and you can go there, trade in DVDs monthly, like not even monthly, you can trade in unlimited DVDs for the month, and it's $10 a month, and they have newer stuff than Netflix, and there's a Blockbuster right down the road from my house. There are Blockbuster stores everywhere, so it's way more convenient than waiting like a day for something to be mailed to you in the first place, and you get newer movies. So I mean, Netflix, you need to step your game up if you want to stay in the game.